Hello, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create an end portal. I'm going to create a new world right here, spawn a new world. Make sure that your world right here that you generate is on creative mode, not on survival mode, okay? Click this one, create. Now that we've successfully generated a world right here, I want you to create a 3x3 frame just for reference. Find a good spot to do this. Let's do it on top here. Again, 3x3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just go ahead. 3x3. 3 here. Now fill up this frame right here. Doesn't really matter, so I'm going to use all planks here. Fill these all up. Again, 3x3. 1, 2, 3. Now, it is important to go inside in the middle of the planks here. Now locate the main building blocks for the portal. So this one right here, the end portal frame and the Eye of Ender. Now you're going to be facing whichever direction. You're going to be needing to face the direction that you're going to be putting these frames in. Now I'm going to be putting it here in this direction. So again, 3x3. This is really important because if there's no 3x3, this is not going to work if it's not 3x3. Using the Eye of Ender, put it on top of these boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And fingers crossed it should be working right now. There you go. The portal is completely open. Now let's go ahead and venture inside. So now as you can see, I'm inside the portal here. Let's just take a little bit of a spawn here. See, these are the ender spawns here on the portal, so we are on a completely different terrain here. So I hope you guys find this video of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.